Everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, hi, how you doing? For my notification squad, what it do, y'all? Today we're gonna change it up a bit, and we're gonna do a snack box. And this box is brought to you by AsiaSnackBox.com, which they have awesome snack boxes. This particular one is reaching all the snacks from Japan, Korea, and China. So I'm gonna put a link in the description for this particular box below. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna open this and show everything that's in here. They're supposed to have 20 pieces. So for a fair amount of price, I do believe it's over $25. However, you can definitely sample all your lovely snacks from overseas. So let's get into it. Well, for starters, this box is super cute. This is what it comes in. And as we're lifting it up, it's packed to the top. And it also has nutritional facts. And they have in English and exactly what everything is. So we're just going to get into everything that's in this box. And keep calm and snack on is what it says at the top. Again, I'm going to put a link down to where I got this particular box down below. Shout out to AsiaSnackBox.com. Y'all are real MVPs. Let's get into it. Now, the first thing I see is from Calbee. Now, I actually like Calbee products. These here are their shrimp chips. Now, if you haven't had shrimp chips before, they're delicious. And it's a normal size bag. As you can see here, over 50 years, I remember in elementary school, not telling my age, well, I already told my age, but I remember getting these from a local market from where my old elementary school was, which is pretty dope. Oh, and also in this box, we have, so from PJoy, they have chocolate, which is right here, and I do believe these are chocolate-covered pretzels. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to try one since, ooh, actually, this is not chocolate-covered pretzels. These are cute, see? It's like a cookie, chocolate, and it's very good. It's like an inside-out Pocky. That's exactly what it tastes like. It's very, very good. And they only came like 5 or 6, but it's well worth it. And also, we have some Pretz baked snacks. These are the originals. Pretty dope. And there's a nice amount for one person in here, or you can share it too. That's pretty cool. Next we have here, I do believe that this is, I'm trying to read off of here. I do believe this is the family pie. And of course, this is definitely, I believe this is in Japanese. Don't hold me to it. If this is not Japanese, please forgive me and comment down below what this actually is. And this is a wheat cracker. This is the Kikori no Kirikabu, a bourbon. So it's a bourbon flavored cookie. So here we go. I'm not going to try this just yet. Next we have, oh, okay. These are like various rice crackers, and everything is closed. Everything is secure. I am a fan of rice crackers, so this is going to be fun. I'm going to enjoy this tonight, actually. I just enjoy getting these snack boxes. And if you want me to unbox and review any more snack boxes, just comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Know what I mean? Of course, I had to move the hair out the way. Next, we have from Panda. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, this is from Meiji. This is when we have these little mystery packages here. Like I said, I'm not sure what this is. Actually, let's find out what this is. Oh, okay. These are, okay, so these are the Hello Panda green tea. This is what they look like. Little cookie. And it also has a filling inside, which is, these are actually good. Yes, I am trying these out and reviewing them as I go along. These are actually good. Better than the last box I had. Okay, next we have umbrella cookies. Nice little pinwheel looking cookies. These are awesome. I'm not going to open these just yet. Actually, I am. Let's try these. Show you what they look like. There's a lot in here. It is worth the... Okay, these are thin. No. 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 These umbrella cookies, no. No. Bad cookie, no. They look good, but I don't like them. They have zero flavor to them. But we're going to keep digging in this box. From Nongshim, they done hooked the sister up with some ramen. Hey, here we go. So this is their gourmet spicy sheen noodle soup. Okay, so this did come with ramen. This is dope. I'm a big anime fan. For those who watch anime and watch Naruto, matter of fact, I'm gonna catch up on some Shippuden and watch Boruto and eat me one of these. That's dope as well. Next we have, this is so cute. This is candy. Okay, it comes in a nice little cute bottle. I'm not gonna keep opening these up and trying them out, but this is so cute. So they do have candy in here. And also from Meiji, I eat these all the time because they have them in my local Asian market. Hello Panda cookies. These are good. I usually eat the strawberry ones. This is the vanilla one. This is cute. I'm gonna show you what they look like. It comes in this packaging here. Y'all are getting a treat today, and I am so happy that I did this box. Woo. Okay. And as you can see, just like the green tea one, these are in vanilla. If you want to get these, start off with the vanilla and work your way up. Definitely work your way up. The chocolate ones are pretty good too. I think my son eats all of them. I'm not sure. I gotta ask him. Next we have pineapple cakes. Here's a pineapple cake. I'm not gonna open this right now. And I do believe this was made in Taiwan. And I'm sure, like I said, I'm just going through this and just reading them off. So it comes with a little small pineapple cake, which I'm sure is good because I like pineapple. And we have, I do believe this is an almond Milano cake or a Milano cookie. I'm saying these are pretty good. Here we go here. Oh, hazelnut, excuse me. And this is a chocolate hazelnut cookie. And there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they're like little sticks. And we also have a white hazelnut one. Okay, this is pretty good. I'm almost at the bottom of this here. Next we have a roasted seasoned. Okay, I do believe these are seaweed snacks, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't tried seaweed snacks before, but I'm definitely going to try them. I'm not going to try it right now, but it's cool to snack on. If anybody eats any of these, comment down below and we can basically interact with each other. Next we have some strawberry cream wafers. I do believe these are from China. Good food provider, yeah. Okay, these are wafers. I'm not going to open these either. This is definitely Korean. I do believe these are lemon crackers. Let me see exactly what this is. Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, I believe that this is just another rice cracker. I am not going to try and open it because I don't know what it is. And of course, boom, a choco pie. Now, we Americans know that these are called, I grew up with them being called scooter pies. Y'all call them marshmallow pies. Same thing. I'm gonna eat this on the strength of nostalgia alone. And last but not least, we have a custard cake. I always wanted to try a custard cake. I have yet to try one until now. All in all, it's about 20 items in here. I'm sure, well, 9 times out of 10, I nailed them all. And this ramen was a bonus. I did not expect this to be in there. All in all, this is a dope box. It's jam-packed full of snacks. Again, just go to www.asiasnackbox.com. I'm also going to put a link in the description below. And plus, I'm going to link the Amazon page where you can get it instantly. And if you have Amazon Prime, you can get 2 days shipping, all that good stuff. This is pretty much a done deal for me. I'm off this. I'm about to dig into this box and enjoy the rest of my evening. Hope you all do the same. Again, if you want me to review and go through other snack boxes, then hit me in the comments below. It doesn't necessarily have to be an Asian box. It can be anyone from around the world. I'm all the way with it. So, until then, have a good one. Pray, slay, and repeat, and ciao.
So tell me you got